Cathleen Williams to talk about the ordinance to you.
That's my girl, there she is.
Hey. Well, it's a great honor to be here and to see so many of our friends and allies and supporters and activists and fighters. It was in 2009, it was 5 years ago in the fall and in the late summer, that 30 courageous homeless people set up a safe ground camp. No drugs, no alcohol, no threat of violence. They lived there, they had a kitchen, we had an area under the trees where we would gather in the evening and describe our experiences. They were arrested 3 times. 3 times. They lost every bit of their possessions 3 times, and they went back.
Ooh.
And they only gave up that ground because out of consideration for the owner, and they felt that the legal fees and so forth, they were ready to go back again. So this case grew out of that safe ground camp. And under the law that we are challenging here, it is against the law, it is a crime to live outside. Live outside. And this is in a city that knows there is no place to go. Knows that people are on the streets, all around City Hall, all around this courthouse, all around the churches, all over town. They are in the doorways. They are cold at night, and they are suffering because of this law and because of lack of a safe place for them to be and the lack of housing. So we are saying that there is something wrong with outlawing the right to be. So you'll hear Mark inside. He's going to have he has a tough row to hoe because the city is going to say, look, this isn't the court's business. This isn't the court's business. Let them go back to City Hall. Let them go back to the Board of Supervisors and our counselors and deal with it that way. But sometimes the courts are the ones that draw the line.
Yes.
Sometimes the courts are the ones that have to say, this is not right, this does not comport with our core values. So we are asking the court to draw that line today. And it moves us, and all of us move each other, both in our hearts and in our feet. So it's great that we're all here together, and our attorney, Mark.
Yay, Mark. Yay.